Today's topic is discount. Now, what is discount? Before we understand discount, we have to understand what is LP or NP. LP or MP both stands for basically L for listed price LP and M for marked price. Both means more or less the same thing, that is the price that is tagged or marked in a particular commodity. Now, discount is basically a percentage of amount which is deducted from the LP or MP and which reduces the value of the good at which it is offered to the customer. Now, for an example, if it is for an example 10% discount is given on a goods that was rupees 100, then from rupees 100 10% discount is charged, that is 10% of rupees 100, that is 10 by 100 of rupees 100, that is rupees 10. Now 10 gets deducted from 100 and now it becomes rupees 90, which is the price at which it is offered to the customers for sale. Now once we've understood the concept of discount, we're going to straight away move to the sum. See, it states that a notebook is marked at rupees 30. So the marked price is rupees 30. Now, find the price a student pays for a dozen notebooks. Dozen means 12. So 12 notebooks if he gets 15% discount. Now, discount percentage is 15. So these are the two things given. So first, discount percentage is 15. That means this 15% will be charged on the MP. So therefore, we'll find out first the discount amount, which is discount is equal to 15% of rupees 30, which is 15 by 100 into 30. It is 9 by 2 or rupees 9 by 2. 2 fours are 8 and 1. That is 4.5 or 4.50. So we can write it as 4.50 is the discount in each notebook. So therefore the discounted price will be discounted price is equal to, it was rupees 30 minus 4 rupees 50 paise, which comes to rupees 25.50. So it's 25.50 and 12 dozen notebooks are purchased. So therefore price of 1 dozen notebook, it will be the discounted price into 12. So notebooks is equal to rupees 25.50 price of each notebook into 12. So we'll find out 25.50 into 12, which is 306. So it comes to 306. Moving on to the next sum. A dealer gave 9% discount on an electric fan and charges 728. We have to find the marked price. That means discount percent is 9 and he charged 728 rupees. So which means 728 rupees is actually the discounted price. So we are going to write down here that given there are two information given. First is the discounted price. So the discounted price is equal to rupees 728 and The discount percent is also given, that is 9%. Now see, this actually means that we have to find out the marked price. So usually the marked price minus the discount is equal to the cost, or the selling price rather, or the discounted price. We can write the DP, the discounted price. So here, if we consider marked price to be 100 percentage and discount is given as 9%, then what we have is the discounted percent, that is 100 minus 9, it is technically 91%. So the discounted percent is actually 91% and marked price is taken as 100%. So with this kind of calculation, we're going to find out therefore, the marked price, that is MP, will be equal to, percentage to know over here it is 100, divided by what we actually know is 91%, which is corresponding to rupees 728. Now, over here, we're going to simply calculate 72800 by 91. If we do it, 728 divided by 91, it's coming to rupees 800. The answer will be rupees 800 on simple division. Moving on to the next question. A shopkeeper purchased a calculator for rupees 650. So this is the purchase price. He sells it at a discount of 20% and still makes a profit of 20%. Find the selling price. So first, we are going to find out that a shopkeeper has purchased a calculator for rupees 650. So we are going to write it down over here, that the CP, that is the cost price of a calculator, is equal to rupees 650. Now, it stated that the discount percentage was 20%. So we're going to write down the discount percentage. So the discount percent is equal to 20% and the profit percentage is 20%. We need to find out the selling price. So we need to first understand one thing, that price of the calculator was 650. From here we deducted the discount, so we get the discounted price. Now on this discounted price, we should take 20% profit. So we need to add the profit percentage and that is how we get the selling price. So this is basically what is to be done. So over here, what we are going to do is we are going to find out the discounted price, for which first we are going to calculate the discount. So the discount will be equal to 20% of rupees 650. So it is 20% of rupees 650. We're going to calculate 20% is 20 by 100 into 650. Calculate it, 0. We get 65 into 2. That comes to rupees 130. Now once this is done, we are going to find out the discount is 130. So this is to be deducted from the cost price in order to get the discounted price. So we're going to find out the discounted price. So the discounted price is equal to, it was rupees 650 minus 130, which comes to rupees Sorry, it will be 130. So this amounts to, this will be equal to rupees 520. Now, once we have found out the discounted price, now we have to see the profit percent is given as 20. So the selling price will obviously be SP is equal to the discounted price 20% profit on the discounted price, which means first we have to find out the profit, then we'll find out the selling price. So profit over here will be equal to 20% of rupees 520. So let's find out 20% of rupees 520. This comes to rupees 104. 52 into 2. Now selling price is very simple. The cost price plus the profit. So over here it was the discounted price was 520. On that we have to add. So the discounted price, that is DP, plus the profit. So the DP, that is discounted price, was rupees 520, and plus profit. Profit was rupees 104. If we add both, we are going to get 620. Moving on to the next question. The printed price of a refrigerator is 28,600. A dealer allowed two successive discounts of 10% and 5%. Find the price which a customer has to pay for the refrigerator. Over here, what does this successive discount means? That back to back two discounts are made on 28,600. So over here, what we're going to write is, first we have to write the given information which is important. First, given the printed price, I'm writing it PP, the printed price is equal to rupees 28,600. Now we have got two successive discounts, which means we are going to add up this. So, and we have to find out the price, that is the discounted price. So for finding out the discounted price, we are going to apply a simple formula, that is the printed price with the printed price, we are going to add two successive discounts. So see, the first discount that we have is, we will mark it as D1. Okay, let us write it in this manner. So D1 is my first discount. So D1% is equal to 10%, and D2 is 5%. So first we are going to find out D1, the discount D1. It will be 10% of 28,600. If you are calculating it, it will be 10 by 100 into 28,600. So we get 2860. This is my first discount. After getting the first discount, before we find out the second discount, we have to reduce, because it's a successive discount. It means whatever was my printed price, from here first the D1 will be deducted. Whatever it is left, that is the discounted price 1. From here again, the next discount will be deducted, and then we actually get the discounted price, the final discounted price, that is DP2. So over here, what we need to do is, we have to first find out the discounted price. The first discounted price, so DP1 I am marking it. So it will be 28,600 minus the first discount, that is 2860. So let's do it. 28,600 minus 2860. It is 25,740. So 25,740. Now from here 5% discount, that is D2, will be deducted 5%. So my discounted price 2, or the final discounted price, would be 5%. Mark it as discounted price percentage. First we are going to find out the discount. Discount is 5% of rupees this amount. The discounted price, that is 25,740. So this becomes 5 by 100 into 25,740 to 2574 and 2, which will be 1287. So this is 1287. This is my discount 2. Finally, we are going to find out the discounted price, the final discounted price, that is 25,740. That is what we were left with. 25,740. This was the discounted price after the first discount made. This minus 1287. So 25740 740 minus 1287. 24453. So 24453. That's it. Moving on to the next question. Find the single discount which is equivalent to two successive discounts, okay, of 20% and 5%. So over here it is simple. What you need to do is you have to find out such a price, such a discount which will be equal to two successive, that is back to back discounts. So over here what we're going to do is we'll take an assumption that the assumption is let the marked price be, because here nothing is given. So let the marked price, and here I'm writing it MP. So B rupees A, rupees 100. Let's take it as 100. Now after the first discount, that is D1, I'm stating the first discount as D1 and the second discount as D2. Okay. So after D1, my discount D1 was 20%. So after D1, my discount would be D1 is 20%. So 20% of rupees 100, that is rupees 20, which means rupees 100 minus rupees 20, that is rupees 80, is my MP after the first discount, my discounted price after the first discount. Now from here we are going to find out after D2, that is the second discount. After D2, now D2 is given as 5%, you can see. So 5%, that is 5 by 100 of 80, deducted to 8 to 16. So this was rupees 284. So it was rupees 4, right? Now, what will be my discounted price? Previously, this was rupees 80. From here again, rupees 4 will be deducted. So right now I have rupees 76. So now I'm going to write the final selling price. So the final SP is of course rupees 76. That is what we have found out. Now total discount we need to find out. So total discount is equal to, of course, it was rupees 100 previously I had taken. So rupees 100 minus 76, that comes to rupees 76 and 24, right? So this is coming to rupees 24. Now, after this is done, so my total discount is rupees 24 and my MP was 100. So over here we're going to find out, therefore, discount. We need to find out the discount percentage. So the discount percentage is equal to, of course, there's a simple formula to it, that is discount percentage is discount by marked price into 100. So over here my discount was 24, so we'll take discount as 24 and my marked price I had assumed as 100. So into 100 this gets deducted, so this is 24%. So 24% will be the discount. We can also cross check this. See, if 100 was my marked price and we need to find out 24% of it, it would be 100 into 24 by 100, that is, see, my discount would have been 24, which is equal to this. So hence proved that 24% is the answer. That's it.